Cases of whooping cough are on the rise in the U.S. and almost triple the number as this time last year. ABC's Perry Russum has the details.
According to the CDC, there have been over 4,800 cases of whooping cough, also known as pertussis, this year. Whooping cough is a very contagious respiratory illness caused by a bacteria. Symptoms are similar to that of a common cold. However, the cough can last for weeks or months. Serious complications of whooping cough may occur. Pregnant women in their third trimester and babies less than 1 year of age are considered to be at high risk. Babies less than 1 year of age could experience life-threatening pauses in their breathing due to whooping cough. Treatment with antibiotics is necessary and may be required for all members of your household. Early treatment helps to reduce the severity of infection. There are also two different vaccines used to protect against whooping cough infection. They are called DTaP and Tdap vaccines. Babies and kids less than 7 years old receive DTaP, while older children, adults, and pregnant women receive Tdap. See a doctor if you or your child are coughing violently and seek immediate care for any breathing difficulties. Lastly, please check to make sure you are vaccinated. If you or your child are eligible, doctors say don't wait to vaccinate. With this Medical Minute, I'm Perry Russum.
Well, the Mayo Clinic has some self-care tips if you were to get whooping cough. Now make sure to get plenty of rest, like a cool, quiet, and dark bedroom that can help you relax better. Also, drink plenty of fluids like water, juice, and soups.